So we're still in quarantine and this is a different setup that I usually record. I wanted to show you today a beauty tutorial. You know, I've been digging some new looks on Instagram, people doing makeup, and I just feel inspired. So today we're gonna do a brown eyeliner smoky. I love smoked eyeliners. I just love them. We're gonna do today, it's recreate one of those. The trick here is that I think I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Ultra Matte liquid lipstick. We'll see how it goes. So for the first step, we're gonna use a concealer, Maybelline eraser, instant anti-age eraser in the color Warm Light, and I'm gonna buff that with my Zoeva concealer buffer to have an even base. So I'm gonna use this palette. This is the Naked. This is the Naked Urban Decay. This is the Naked Heat from Urban Decay, and I think I'm gonna use Sauced with a blending brush, and I'm gonna use a bigger shape because I just want to get it all over my crease and my eyelid. I'm gonna start blending that color basically all over. So I always start in the crease and start blending upward. And then when I don't have like anything left, I just try to erase that line that forms there. So I'm gonna use a bit more. And I'm just gonna blend that. So it's gonna be like a really light makeup look. I mean, supposedly, I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna do my other eye, but you're not gonna see this. So as you can see, I did my other eye, and we're gonna continue and do the same in the other. So I was just testing the color of the lipstick and I really like it, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. It's not as chocolate as I thought it was gonna be, so it looks really nice. And I'm gonna use this wing liner from Zoeva. It's a really nice brush to do all of this. So what I did is that I applied the the liquid lipstick in my hand. I like to apply it in this area so it doesn't dry as fast. So we're gonna try and imitate the same shape. What I'm doing is just imitating the same angle and doing the wing eyeliner. So a good key is just to go little by little. That's what I do until you can have like the perfect shape. There's so many ways to do eyeliner, but for me this is the best way. Like start from the wing shape and then go ahead and finish inside. So we're gonna do this like this. It's a really thick line that I did. Wasn't meaning to do a thick line, but it is what it is. Once I do that, I'm gonna take a smaller brush like this and I'm gonna dip it in black eyeshadow, and the shadow that I'm using is from James Charles and Morphe brushes, and I'm just gonna apply that in the base of my lashes, of my top lashes, trying to imitate the wing shape as well, and then trying to blend that so it looks like a smoky. I'll go ahead and do this all over the eye in the top base, in the base, like this. So I'm applying that inside the corners of my eye. I'm gonna reapply the liquid lipstick in here so I don't lose the color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the champagne color that Gymshark's palette has. And I'm gonna do it with my finger first, trying to be really careful, but I just fucked it up already. I'm gonna fix it obviously, and then I'm gonna go with the brush to define that shimmer in my eye. Again, with my liner, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and I'm gonna apply a lot of mascara. Just grab my hair and just pull it back. So I really love this technique. I'm going to apply a bit of strobe cream from MAC. You know this, it's in the video that I uploaded yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it, since we're all in quarantine, we're not doing shit. And you can see me trying new products. One of those were some Charlotte Tilbury's makeup, and also some foundations and other stuff. I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Reboot foundation because I really want to see, I want to be glowy. But this time we're gonna try the technique, as I told you yesterday I couldn't. I want to try the technique of the Beauty Blender being completely dry and see how this goes. So I'm using the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation in the color Y255. In the previous video I wrote the wrong color. I'm so sorry. Applying the foundation with the Beauty Blender completely dry, and I don't know, I feel like it just ate a lot of my foundation. Maybe yes, maybe no. I can't remember where I saw this, where they said you should apply your foundation with, you know, the dry Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna put a little bit more in my forehead, not too much. So yeah, tell me how you're like spending quarantine. Because to me, I like to have the chance to go out. Like my outlet this past week was the gym. I started the gym like 2 weeks ago. And I was doing really nice. Like it was the first time in my life. And all of a sudden, I have to stay home. Okay, once I do that, I'm gonna apply concealer. Apply concealer, and at the same time, I'm gonna clean under my eyes. Not necessarily inside this area, but most like outside, like this. I don't like to have a lot of product below, so I just, as you can see, there, I don't apply it like directly under my eye, because that can cause a lot of much product in the fine lines, and it's not a cute look. Just gonna wet a bit my Beauty Blender because I can't not do this with the Beauty Blender dry. So once I do that, I'm gonna start pressing it in the skin. And once I have a lot of the concealer already pressed into the skin is when I start going up to the fine lines, because I don't want the product to be concentrating those fine lines. Before setting anything, I'm gonna bronze with my Chanel Soleil de Tan and a Sigma brush. And I just want to have a bit of color on my skin. I think I'm gonna apply, a bit of powder on my eyes. I'm gonna do, I think, do I smoke or not? So I'm just gonna go ahead. You know what I'm gonna do with the bit that I have left of the contour? I'm just going to put that really slightly under my eyes. I'm gonna use a powder. I'm using this universal powder from Laura Mercier. Who is that? Laura Mercier. And I'm not going to inside of my fine line, because the more you put powder, for some reason, the more you have fine lines with concealer. I am going to apply in here, the sides of my nose. so I can just define that contour a bit better, as you can see. And also I'm gonna go ahead and set this area here with a line, a very fine line, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury blush. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna remove all of that if I'm not already removing it in the process. I'm just gonna smile, my creepy smile, and just apply a bit of blush. And brush everything out. Like so. I'm gonna apply a bit of mascara underneath. Whee! And then I'm gonna do my brows while I'm waiting for this to dry. So as a almost final step, I'm gonna spray some rose water, and while this is soaking in my skin, I am going to apply nothing. I'm just gonna wait. So when this is almost dry, or almost drying, I'm gonna apply this highlight from Sleek Makeup in the high point of my cheek, just to give me an extra glow. In my nose, obviously. This is the Cleopatras Kiss highlighter palette from Sleek Makeup. And my Cupid's bow, and around here. My hair is just not the best today. It's quarantine, people. I don't care about my hair. I'm gonna use this L.A Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like try to contour almost my lips. All these quarantine week or days, obviously apart from working, you know, working from home, it's also the perfect time to be practicing your makeup skills. Like, for real, I'm just here and I'm just living life and I'm just practicing all my makeup skills. I'm trying to just, you know, get out of my comfort zone. For example, I wanted to try this. Since you're not gonna see anybody probably, practice your skills. Nobody's gonna see you. Take photos. Maybe take it off if you don't like it. So yeah, just practice and, you know, see if you like something new. I'm gonna use this Naked, Urban Decay Naked lip gloss as a topper. This is the final makeup look to stay at home and enjoy your quarantine days. If you get out of quarantine, if we get out of quarantine, this is a perfect look for maybe like a, I don't know, every day. I would use this every day, to be honest. It's so pretty. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it. I really hope you like this format. Let me know if the if this distance is okay, if you want it to be closer when I do something more specific. Let me know, because I can get closer, of course. And just take my mirror off. Let me know if you like this format, if you like more me being in my bedroom in a more cozy way. But like right now I'm just wearing like my hoodie and I just have nowhere to go with this makeup look. Ooh, this would be a really nice photo. Quarantine makeup. Let me know what you think about this makeup look, and yeah, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like, subscribe if you like this, and yeah, let's just start learning more about makeup. So I'll see you in the next quarantine diary video. I love you.